Hello, today I would like to introduce you to the Polyhedra Network Discord server. This guide will help you quickly get comfortable and adapt to the server. Let's get started. Follow the link and join Discord. You can do this through the link or use the QR code. Great, let's join the server. You can already see right away that some sections are available for viewing. But to reveal all the server's capabilities, several steps are required. Go to the Verify section, and we perform the following actions. We study the rules and agree to them. Now, we need to wait a little bit. Click the Verify button. Now you need to fill in the CAPTCHA. Great, verification done. Let's continue getting to know our Discord. For greater convenience, the team has divided all necessary sections into categories: crypto price, information, community, fundamentals, and global area. Crypto price section. The crypto price category shows the live price of tokens such as ZKJ, ETH, and BTC. Information section. The information category includes the following sections. Announcements. This section contains all the necessary information, news, innovations, and much more. Rules. Here are all the server rules described in more detail, for violation of which you can be punished. Links and frequently asked questions. This section contains all necessary links and answers to frequently asked questions. Twitter feed. All tweets from the official channel are visible here. Event info. All information about events that happen in the community is published here. Community section. Chat. This is the main chat where communication and discussion of the project takes place. GM. Here we wish good morning and good night. Meme. In this section we publish memes related to our project and the cryptosphere in general. Quiz prize. This is a section with weekly events. Let me tell you more about it. The dates and times of this event are published in advance in the #event-info section. During the event, all activities take place in the quiz prize section. Be the first to give the correct answer and you will receive ZKJ. Remember that the most important thing is not only to know the correct answer, but also to be the first to answer. Scam reports. Here you can inform the team about scammers who are present on our server for their further elimination. Bot commands. This section is intended for checking your level. More details about roles and levels are written in the links and facts. Fundamentals section. EXP chain. Here you can ask questions, solve problems related to EXP chain. We are actively testing our new network, so we need your feedback and support. Price chat. In this chat we discuss the price of our token and all other nuances related to cryptocurrency trading. ZKJ staking. Everything related to ZKJ staking is published here. ZKJ content. Here we publish our works related to the project. These can be scientific articles, videos, or just posts about Polyhedra Network. Support ticket is designed to contact the team. If you have any problem or question, you can open a ticket and they will help you. Suggestion form. In this section everyone can suggest something related to improving the project or make any other suggestion related to Polyhedra network. And in the last room for today is the event stage. This is where we have the show and AMA sessions. That's all. In general, you got acquainted with the structure of our server, and you feel much more confident. Do not hesitate to communicate, discuss current events of the project, and participate in certain events. Welcome to the Polyhedra family.